everybody, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to be planning in my classic Happy Planner for the week of June 22nd through the 28th. And this week's theme is going to be hearts. All about the love. Because don't you know, we could all use a little more love in the world right now. So I've got this really fun orangish washi tape with gold hearts, which I think is going to look super cute. Try to get it covering the line a little bit better here. Yes, where is the love? Reminds me of the Black Eyed Peas song. The quote on the bottom here says, "We don't remember the days, we remember the moments." Wow, isn't that the truth? Somehow the days, even when you're planning them, seem to either fly by or blur together. But it's the moments, the special moments of those days that you remember. So I guess the point is maybe try not to be so quote-unquote busy, but make more memories. I sometimes think of it as living with intention. Okay. Just got my washi down. Now, I found this big quote sticker, which does have a little heart in it, so I think it qualifies. Do what you love. Live life with a full and happy heart. Actually, I think I'm going to put that over here. And at the end, I'll come back and decorate with some decorative hearts. I love these because they have little hearts and they're more neutral. Today's to-dos. With heart. I think these are from the Empowered Women sticker book. So that's Monday. Put this on Tuesday. Go put this one over on Friday. A grateful heart is a magnet for miracles. Yes, indeed. Okay. So now I need to find a my large decorative boxes. Oh, perfect. Make sure, yeah, got a little heart right there. I'm not in love with the black on it, but you know, it's okay. You guys ever watch Project Runway? As Tim Gunn would say, you make it work. Make it work. Make it work. I need a weekend sticker. I don't suppose I'd be lucky enough to get anything with a heart. Oh, this is cute. I want to find somewhere to use that. And I heart weekends, why not? I think that qualifies. You know where I'm sure I'd find some heart stickers is in my Valentine's collection. But then, I'm afraid I wouldn't have any for Valentine's Day. So, we're just gonna go with what we can find. Cute. Cute, cute, cute. I need some blank boxes. This needs some more decorative elements. And let's look in circle quotes, just quickly. This kind of goes with the black. I'm running out of fingers. So this will be, I'm going to do a little magic here. A little sticker layer magic. God, this is really hard with one hand. Okay, there's that. And now, I don't love, but it will do. I'm going to intentionally overlay this onto two different boxes. Oh, this is going to be cute. Okay, here. Let's do this. Put one here. And one here. Cute. Okay, so now that I have all my task boxes down, I've got Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. I'm just going to fill in with some different stickers and decorative stickers, quote stickers. You know me, I never meant a sticker I didn't like. Let's see. Of course, I have to add my Happy Planner sticker for my weekend planning. And now I'm just gonna kind of go crazy with the hearts here. You know, I typically don't plan with tweezers, but dealing with little stickers like this, like these hearts, it's making me reevaluate that decision. Because the pieces are just so tiny. These better stay on the page. I wonder if I have some tweezers. Let me look. I do. You see tweezers in action, guys. Let's see if I can do this. I'm sure these are not the best tweezers. I'm ditching them. I'm ditching the tweezers. They seem kind of okay. I think I probably just need to buy a better pair. I'll have to watch one of my planner friends' videos and see what kind of tweezers they use. I don't keep my nails very long, so that's not really the issue. It's more that these hearts are just really tiny. Yay! Well, I love how this turned out. I should put some headers here. Maybe. You know, I get to a point where I'm like, oh yeah, this is all done. And then I'm like, oh, I can add one more thing. found a couple more hearts. Because why not? I'm in this deep. Okay, I think that's really going to wrap it up. I think this is heart-alicious. Jody, that's enough. Okay. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really appreciate it. Let me know what you think. Is all this heart craziness too much? I don't know. I think we could never have enough love in the world. Like I said, thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. If you did like it, please give it a thumbs up. It helps the channel. If you want to be notified of more content I post, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Until next time, thanks guys. Bye.